Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your daily income with Rakuten, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Rakuten website or download the mobile app. Create your free account by providing your email and setting a password. Once registered, navigate to the homepage to explore available offers and cashback opportunities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Next, browse through different categories, like clothing, electronics, or groceries. Select a retailer you're interested in, and click on their link to activate your cashback. Before making a purchase, ensure that the cashback offer is activated. Complete your transaction on the retailer's website. After your purchase, wait for Rakuten to track your cashback, which usually takes a few days. Check your Rakuten account to see the updated cashback balance. Consider using browser extensions for additional savings and notifications on cashback deals. For a more consistent income, share your Rakuten referral link with friends and family. Each time someone signs up through your link, you can earn bonus cashback. Stay updated on special promotions and seasonal. Be strategic with your purchases and prioritize higher cashback offers. Lastly, cash out your earnings through PayPal or a check, depending on your preference. With patience and smart shopping, you can significantly boost your daily income with Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.